Welcome to today's lesson on health and safety. This is Mrs. Rodriguez. There are a number of safety issues that can arise from using ICT devices. Some of these safety issues include electrocution, tripping over wires, heavy equipment falling on you, and fire risk. Electrocution. Most ICT devices require an electrical power source. Whenever you have electrical power sources, you run the risk of electrocution. Causes of electrocution: faulty equipment, bare wires, etc., spilling drinks over electrical equipment, opening up an electrical device when you don't know what you're doing. Ways you can prevent electrocution: Don't use exposed electrical wires. Avoid drinking around the equipment. Avoid opening electrical devices, especially when they're plugged in and if you don't know what you're doing. Tripping. Tripping over cables and wires. Long wires stretched over the floor can be a trip hazard. Ways to prevent tripping: hide wires and cable ducts. Tuck trailing wires under desks or carpets. Or use wireless technology to eliminate the use of wires altogether. Heavy equipment. Some ICT devices, like computer screens, are fairly heavy and can cause injury if they fall on you. Ways you can prevent heavy equipment from falling: equipment should be positioned securely on strong desks and tables away from the edge. Fires. ICT devices require power from an outlet. If too many devices are plugged into a single outlet at the same time, it is possible to overload the circuit and start an electrical fire. Causes of fires: too many devices plugged into a single power outlet. Leaving devices plugged in unattended for long periods. Covering air vents on devices like laptops. Ways you can prevent fires: don't plug too many devices into the same outlet. Turn off and unplug devices if you're going to be away for a long time. Have a CO2 fire extinguisher on hand in the event that there is a fire. And leave air vents on devices uncovered and keep them clean. This concludes today's lesson on health and safety. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Bye.